How to use bad order in Jade accounting. Open Jade accounting. Click on purchasing. And then click on bad order. To add bad order, click New button. Click the supplier text box, then press enter to view a list of supplier name. Click the supplier name that you want to add in bad order. Input any character in the item code to view a list of products that you wanted to insert in bad order. Click on the product that you want. Manually input the quantity of your order. If there is no cost, you can manually input the amount. The total and total amount are computed automatically. The remarks should not be blank. Click Save button. Your new bad order is now created. If you want to add product on the same bad order, simply input the new product. If you are done editing, click the Update button. The O number is automatically generated. To navigate bad order, just click Preview and Next button, or just simply enter the BO number and click the search icon. Click the Preview button. If you want to show the print preview of the bad order, or click Cancel button to cancel bad order.